Hi everybody, this is Jamie here from Incrediblers, and today I'm going to show you the ABCs of bowling. The first word in our ABC series is action. Now action refers to two things in bowling. Firstly, it can refer to pin action. And pin action means when you hit the pins, how do the pins move afterwards? Is there a lot of action? Do they spread out? Or is there not much action? The pins kind of just fall down. It can also refer to ball action. The ball rolling down the lane. Does it move a lot down the lane? Or does it kind of just tend to roll straight? If it's rolling straight and not moving at all, it means there's not a lot of action. On the other hand, if it swerves left or it swerves right, it means that the ball has a lot of action. The second word in our ABC series is adjustment. Adjustment refers to how you change either your body or your arm swing or even your feet before delivering the ball down the lane. Oftentimes when the ball's not going where you want to make an adjustment with your feet or maybe an adjustment with your arm swing. The third word for our ABCs of bowling is approach. The approach is the space on the lane between the first set of dots when you stand on the lane. That's called the approach, all the way up to the foul line. So again, from when you step onto the lane up to the foul line, that is all called the approach. The next word in our ABCs of bowling is arm swing. Arm swing refers to how you move your arm. In bowling, oftentimes you want to move your arm in a pendulum-like style, straight back and straight forward. This can also include the push away, which will be covered later on in the ABC series. The next word in our ABC series are arrows. Now, many beginner bowlers might not know this, but if you have a look on the lanes, you'll see there are 7 arrows on the lanes, and these are there to help you aim while bowling. Personally, when I bowl, I tend to look at the third arrow on the right side or the second arrow on the right side. The arrows are located every 5 boards on the lane. And if you don't know what boards are, we'll be covering it later in the series. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you learned something new, feel free to share it with your friends and maybe you can help them learn something new as well. There's going to be lots more bowling videos coming up soon, so please subscribe, like and follow us for upcoming content. Until next time, stay incredible.